In today's video, we're going to be talking about RED, specifically how to set up your project in Resolve so that you can work with R3D and the IPP2 workflow. So this is how I set up my projects in Resolve to be able to work with R3D. I like to start by going into the settings here, and then I choose my timeline resolution based on what aspect ratio I shot with my R3D. In this case, I did shoot in the aspect ratio of Ultra HD, and I'm okay with a 4K timeline. So I'm going to leave this alone. My frame rate is set to 30. And that is because if it's going on YouTube, I always shoot at a frame rate of 30 because that is what YouTube is expecting. And 24 often gets converted to 30. So I make sure that I do this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the color management. And under color management, the most important setting here is to make sure that the 3D lookup table interpolation is set to tetrahedral. Generally speaking, that is not by default, so be sure to switch that unless you create a preset like I did, where it will always launch in this form and calling out for tetrahedral. The next setting that you need to make sure is set correctly is the camera raw settings. By default, for whatever reason, it always defaults to ARRI. So I like to make sure that I'm working in the correct raw workflow and raw space. So I switch this to red. I always leave it on full res premium. And for bit depth, I always max it out. So 16 is what I want. And once I do this, I am now ready to start working with R3D. And that's it. That's exactly how you set up a project in Resolve to give you the ability to work with R3D. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch up with you in the next one. Take care.